Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane? Say hello to the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Say hello to the Muffin Man, he makes yummy muffins. Do you know the Pizza Man, the Pizza Man, the Pizza Man? Do you know the Pizza Man who lives on Drury Lane? Pizza! Say hello to the Pizza Man, the Pizza Man, the Pizza Man. Say hello to the Pizza Man, he gives us great slices. Do you know the Ice Cream Man, the Ice Cream Man, the Ice Cream Man? Do you know the Ice Cream Man who lives on Drury Lane? Say hello to the Ice Cream Man, the Ice Cream Man, the Ice Cream Man. Say hello to the Ice Cream Man, he has so many flavors. Do you know the Baker Man, the Baker Man, the Baker Man? Do you know the Baker Man who lives on Drury Lane? Say hello to the Baker Man, the Baker Man, the Baker Man. Say hello to the Baker Man, his cakes are the best. Thank you, friends of Drury Lane, Drury Lane,